It's been 13 days, remember, since the dastardly terror attack in Pahalgam. The nation is speaking in one voice for justice. There are some, however, who are giving fodder to Pakistan to mock India. Ajay Rai, a senior Congress leader, head of the UP Congress, questioned the government on why there's been no response. Fair enough. He belongs to the opposition party. He has the right to question the government. But here's how he chose to criticize. With this particular footage, he held up a toy jet, claimed it's the Rafale, put a lemon on it, chilies on it to mock the defense minister. This is how Ajay Rai has criticized the government. Questioned why the Rafale hasn't been used against Pakistan. So this video that you see, along with which, by the way, there's a statement which will play out for you in just a bit. This video of him holding up a toy jet with lemon and chilies is being used widely now by Pakistani channels for their own propaganda against India. Why? Because it suits their narrative that you've got someone within Indian soil going ahead and mocking the government in this manner. Let's get you all the details first in our report on what Ajay Rai said and the reactions that have come in.
India ready to punish Pakistan Pahalgam savagery. Indian war machines in full operational readiness. But Congress chief in Uttar Pradesh Ajay Rai launching a political attack. Posing with a miniature Rafale toy jet with Nimbu Mirchi attached to it. Taunting government over what he called delay in airstrikes on Pakistan.
अब राफेल ले आए, नींबू मिर्च बांधकर खड़ी किए हुए हैं। आपको याद होगा, मैंने नहीं बांधा है, वो बांधा है, इस केंद्र की सरकार ने बांधा है। रक्षा मंत्री ने नींबू मिर्च बांधकर खड़ा किया हुआ है। ये किस जो लाए हैं उसका उपयोग कब होगा? कब आतंकवादियों का सफाया होगा? कब आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा देने वाले लोगों को सफाया करेंगे?
A defiant Ajay Rai referred to past Shastra Puja ritual by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh before inducting Rafale jets into Air Force.
ये जरूर ये पूरे देश की जनता जानना चाहती है कि आप इस पर कठोर कार्रवाई कब करेंगे, और केवल बड़ी बात बोलकर, केवल लोगों को एक आश्वासन देकर कब तक आप जो है लोगों को फुसलाते रहेंगे?
The Congress Rafale stunt ended by serving as propaganda tool for Pakistan. BJP launched a blistering attack on Congress, accusing it of demoralizing the forces and serving as Pakistani poster boys.
जैसे पाकिस्तान यहां पर गतिविधियां करता है और ऑफिशियली ये स्टैंड रखता है कि उसका उनसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है, ठीक उसी प्रकार कांग्रेस और इंडी गठबंधन का ऑफिशियल स्टैंड रहता है कि हम सरकार के साथ हैं, और उनके नेता निरंतर ऐसे बयान देते रहते हैं।
कांग्रेस खुद एक मजाक बन के रह गई है। राहुल गांधी जी को राफेल पर पहले भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने लताड़ लगाई, और कांग्रेस के नेताओं को याद रखना चाहिए कि ये जो इस तरह के मजाक करते हैं, बार बार इनको कोर्ट में जाकर लताड़ ही मिलती है।
Congress and allies, however, defended Ajay Rai and the Rafale toy attack.
पूरा देश आपके साथ खड़ा है, आप एक्शन लीजिए। ये दिखाई देना चाहिए कि एक्शन हुआ है। अब तो मौका है, अब इससे ज़्यादा और मौका क्या होगा? उसकी नींबू मिर्च हटा दीजिए। इतना पैसा खर्च कर अगर हमने कोई हथियार खरीदा है तो उसको इस्तेमाल भी तो किया जाना चाहिए कि उस पर जंग लगाने के लिए खड़ा किया है।
The government had earlier given full operational freedom to forces to plan and execute India's response to Pakistan. Should netas tone down Pahalgam rhetoric and trust our armed personnel? Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, let me bring in Rahul Gautam on this broadcast. He tracks the Congress for us closely. Rahul, with every passing day, you have these kind of irresponsible, loose comments being made by Congress leaders that actually dents the party stand, which is actually very mature. The party stand has been very clear that we are with the government on this. But then you have one comment after another that adds to this and fuels this entire controversy, needless statements at that. Having said that, Rahul, considering that the High Command has made their stand very, very clear, has that message not seeped down to Congress leaders? Why is it that the likes of Ajay Rai gets away with making these comments?
Well, Akshita, there is a saying, penny wise, pound foolish. Although Congress party has issued a statement. They have passed a resolution in the CWC, which is the highest decision-making body, which clearly states that whatever action government is going to take, they're going to stand by it and they're going to support that action 100%. In fact, this matter was also brought in before Priyanka Gandhi, and she spoke on record that the Congress stand is what has been already reflected in the CWC, and in fact, a circular has also been issued. But it seems that the likes of Charanjit Singh Channi, Vijay Vadattiyar, Ajay Rai, all these leaders are only puncturing that narrative or that stand that has been taken by Congress party, and it is only harming the very image of Congress party. We all know that how Rahul Gandhi also held a press conference, and in fact he also vowed support, full support to government. But it seems that Charanjit Singh Channi and many other leaders, by deviating from party's line, not just by making these sarcastic remarks and taking jibes on government and also on the on our military capabilities, this is only giving ammunition and cannon fodder to the BJP, which is now dubbing this as anti-India or pro-Pakistan stance, which they are attributing to Congress party. So clearly, it seems that although Congress is trying to put a narrative before the nation at this crucial juncture, but it seems that its own leaders are only putting Congress party in a very tight and embarrassing spot.
Very true. The Congress struggling now to bring their own netas under control, because you've got one comment after another coming in. Thanks, Rahul, for joining us with those details. What do I mean by that? That is not just Ajay Rai. There's unfortunately been a long list of Congress leaders in the last 13 days who've been making headlines for all the wrong reasons. One controversial comment after another, one jibe after another. It started with Siddaramaiah, the Karnataka Chief Minister. Then you had a Karnataka minister questioning the claims that terrorists singled out and targeted Hindus. That was also backed by Vijay Vadattiyar, another senior Congress leader from Maharashtra, who backed that particular comment, saying terrorists didn't target people based on their religion. Then you had Channi just a few days ago repeating what the Congress has already burnt its fingers over, saying there's no proof of surgical strikes. I want you to listen to each one of these comments that have come in the last many days.
ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಂತ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಗಿ ಕ್ರಮಗಳು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಭದ್ರತಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಬಿಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಪರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಶಾಂತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಭದ್ರತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಭದ್ರತಾ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
ಯಾರ ನೀವು ಹೊಡೆದು ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ ಜಾತಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಡೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೇನ? ನೀನೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಡಬಿಡಂಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾನೆ, ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೇಳಿ ಹೊಡೆಯಟ್ಟು ವ್ಯವಧಾನ ಯಾರಿಗಿರೋದು? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರು ನಾವು ಈ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ದುಃಖಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಅದ್ರ ಲಾಭ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಹುನ್ನಾರ ಏನು ನಡೀತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು.
इतने 200 किलोमीटर तक लोग अंदर आके अतिरेकी घुस जाते हैं, तो तुम्हारा इंटेलिजेंस क्या कर रहा था? वो फेल्योर नहीं है, इस सरकार का फेल्योर नहीं है. इस बारे में कोई बात नहीं करता. बात क्या करते हैं? तो उन्होंने हिंदू का पूछ कर मारा. अरे कोई टेररिस्ट को पूछने तक समय होता है क्या? उनके कान में जाके नज़दीक जाके पूछेगा? ये सब जो बातें हैं, बहुत सारे इसमें कंट्रोवर्शियल, कोई बोलता है ऐसा हुआ ही नहीं, कोई बोलते ऐसा हुआ है. ये प्लान करके मत करो. टेररिस्ट है, उसको कोई जात धर्म नहीं होता है, उसके साथ में ऐसा मत करो. और उसको सीधा से सीधा उनको पकड़ के कार्रवाई करो. यही देश के वासियों की भावना है.
पता नहीं चला मुझे तो कहाँ स्ट्राइक हुए हैं, कहाँ बंदे मारे गए थे उस समय, कहाँ वहां पाकिस्तान में हुआ था. हमारे देश में आकर कोई बम गिरे, पता नहीं चलेगा. कहते जी पाकिस्तान में हमने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक किए थे. कोई कुछ नहीं हुआ, कहीं नहीं दिखे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, किसी को नहीं पता चला.
So those are the comments that have come in from Congress leaders. The High Command, meanwhile, has been forced to step in repeatedly, attempt damage control after all of these comments, and yet they haven't cracked the whip per se on any of these netas. Priyanka Gandhi this time attempted to play down Ajay Rai's comments. She went ahead and said the party's stand is very clear, but that there should be decisive action soon. Rahul Gandhi last week repeatedly said, we stand with the forces, we are with the government on whatever action they take against Pakistan. This is what the Gandhis say. But then you have their leaders, Congress netas, senior leaders at that, making all sorts of comments right after.
The Congress party has in their CWC given a statement. We all stand by that statement, and that is the official statement of the Congress party. That statement clearly says that we support whatever action the government is going to take. In fact, we urge the government to take very strong, decisive action and to take it fast.
हमने क्लियरली ऑपोजिशन की और सरकार की मीटिंग में क्लियर हमने लाइन दी है, यूनानिमस लाइन, कि जो हुआ है एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है और पूरा का पूरा ऑपोजिशन 100% सपोर्ट सरकार को देगा और दे रहा है.
Not the time, clearly, for politics. It's unfortunate you see these kind of controversial comments coming in against the government, against the country, saying, why isn't action been taken just yet? And what happens from that is it feeds into Pakistan's narrative, which is why Pakistani media has actually picked up what Ajay Rai has said. We will continue tracking all the reactions.